Hi everyone, Jim here. Just got the Rode NTG mic. Let me tell you about it. So if you saw my new video on the new Sony ZV-1 I bought, you'll know that I bought a condenser mic that integrated with that camera. I tried it out on the video and really couldn't tell a whole lot of difference with the mic. So I ended up sending that back and started looking more into what I was going to get. And so I ended up going with the NTG from Rode. It was a little bit more expensive. It's about 250 bucks. This will work with any camera. It can also be set up on a boom. One of my goals is to see if I can set this up with my Hollyland wireless setup to see if I can have a wireless boom mic. So stick around to the end of the video and see how well that worked. But for right now, I'm going to unbox this and show you what it looks like. Okay, so now we're going to unbox the mic. So open it up. Okay, so everything comes in a nice little box. Let's take a look at what we get. Okay, so here's the Rode mic. It's got a nice windscreen on it. It is a rechargeable mic. It's got a preamp in it, so this has its own power. This will be really nice for working on the camera or as a boom. I won't have to supply phantom power to it like I would with an XLR mic. It has both audio out 3.5 millimeter jack, and it can also be used USB with a computer. So this can be used as a computer microphone or a shotgun microphone connected to the camera or to a boom. And it comes with a nice USB-C charging cable and some instructions. Okay, so now that I have this unboxed, let's charge this up and do some sound tests with it. The first thing I'm going to do is just do the camera without any mic attached to it at all. Then I'll connect this to the camera at about a 5-foot distance and see what it sounds like. And then I'll attach it to a boom with my Hollyland wireless remote and see what that sounds like. So I'll be right back. So for a base level, this is what the camera sounds like with the onboard mic. This mic is designed more for vlogging and that type of thing, so it's not great at a 5-foot distance like this, but it's not bad for a camera of this type. And it's a pretty decent onboard mic. So let's check out the Rode next. Okay, so this is what the camera sounds like with the Rode Shotgun Mic attached to the camera. As I said, it's about 5 feet, and this should sound a lot better than it did with the onboard mic. But it's still probably not going to sound anywhere near as good as it would with the lavalier mic or on a boom overhead. So let's try that next and see what that sounds like. Okay, so this is what it sounds like with the Rode mic attached to a boom stand just outside of view. This is probably about 18 inches away from where I am, so this should be the best sound overall. And I'm really excited if this works the way I think it's going to. Having a wireless setup will be perfect. I just hate having wires draped around everywhere. My lights and everything all have batteries on them, so everything is wireless because I just trip over everything anyway, so I don't want to do that. But I'm really excited to see how this looks and sounds, and you know, if this works, then this will be a really cool setup going forward. Okay, so let's check out what it sounds like, and then I'll come back and tell you what I think. Okay, so I've listened to all the tracks and pretty good. I was expecting that the shotgun on the boom to sound a little bit better, but I think I need to probably play with some of those settings. I'm not an audio engineer. I'm learning this all on the fly. So still a lot better than on the on-camera mic, but so far I think the lavalier mic is probably the best. But having a wireless setup with a boom just adds a whole new dimension to my being able to produce videos. So it's really cool. I like learning how to do these things, and you know, audio is a new thing for me. I've never worked in this kind of industry at all, so I'm learning as I go with this channel, and that's one of the reasons I do this channel. So if you found this content value, hit the thumbs up. If you'd like to see more of my content, hit subscribe. I do all sorts of videos like reviews and adventure videos and things like that. So I'd love to have you on my channel. Thanks.